Doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a digital product in Stripe. Once you're on your Stripe dashboard, as you can see right here, all you'll need to do is go over to the left-hand menu option, and from there you're going to tap on More. After selecting More, you're going to see a pop-out window appear, and I want you to tap right where you see Product Catalog. After selecting Product Catalog, all you'll need to do is tap on Add Product in the top right hand corner. Then from here, you can enter a product name. So let's say, for example, I'll just call it digital. So let's do that. So you can type in the name. You can add a description if you want. After doing that, you can upload an image. So we could tap on upload and you could upload a cover image for example's sake. So let's say, for example, I'm just going to choose this cover image and I will tap on open. After you have done that, you can choose whether you would like to charge your customers a recurring fee or a one-off fee. Right here, you could choose one-off. So it is completely up to you. Let's say I would like to charge a one-off fee of $9 for my ebook. After you have done that, you can choose the currency. So you could tap on the currency right here. Now you can see a preview of how it looks. Once you're finished, you'll tap on Add Product. So after you have tapped on Add Product, you can see that you have created the product right here. Now if we were to select it, you can see how it looks right there. So this is how it looks. Now all you'll need to do, if you like to create a payment link, you can scroll down and right where you see Create Payment Link, you can tap right there. After tapping on Create Payment Link, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you'll tap on Create Link in the top right hand corner. After you have done that, you have a few options. You can either choose to copy the URL, or you could tap on QR code and create a QR code, or if you like to embed it on your website, you could tap on Buy button and then copy the HTML code. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.